Okay, so we've got an autocracy in charge of our Earth. They're criminal, and it's dying. Fact. Okay, so how do we save it? Well, this is where I suppose sisters and brothers come in, and when we need to talk. For that, this is a platform about dialogue, communication, and action. We need the robots. We need sustainable housing. We need peace for our children. So it all starts with an ideas, obviously, and the way I see it is I've got to set up a couple of companies. One of them is shipbuilding, zero emission shipping, so it gives transport, gives flood relief, it gives aid to countries, and plus it gives employment, plus we can build these ships all around the world, which gives us mobility. Mobility means power. Then we've got sustainable housing. Once we've got the ships, we can then transport homes which will produce large amounts of electricity. So there'll be little generators. With that, we can generate money, homes for people who would need to be kept cool in hot countries, aiming for hot countries, so we can produce large amounts of electricity, large amounts of money. Okay, then we've got the robots. We need to get the robots. That is absolutely vital. The electric cars will be connected to the sustainable home, so it'll be transport. Transport links are extremely vital. So here goes. Now here's the ships which will carry the containers. The containers can be living in capsules, they can be hospitals, they can be carrying cargo. The ships themselves will be made from eco-concrete. There is a sustainable house, so the containers will turn into sustainable houses with electric cars. Nice to get bi-directional charging, so the batteries are connected to the house is connected to the car. There's the sand, that sequentiates the heat from the sun, the heat then turns into electricity. There's one of the ships. There's a sand battery, which we'll be using, and sodium. Okay, so that's the eco house, which will generate incomes. We need the robots. The robots will make robots. They will help build our planet, but we need them. They don't need paying, but we need our money. Don't let the criminals get it. We'll be greening London with skyscrapers, which are basically big, massive, tall greenhouses with big voids for insects to go in and out of. So, 8 billion people. I suggest we also start building some pyramids around the place, so we can have people's assemblies, music, fun and entertainment for global non-profit leadership. More women.